Good day, everyone. My name is Aubrey, and I am joined by my colleagues, Adriel and Saverlyn. Today, we will introduce you to a simple but powerful methodology that can transform the way we work, the 5S system in lean construction. In this brief presentation, we will explain the history of 5S, how it can be implemented to create a more streamlined and productive work environment, its benefits, and its importance. So, let's dive into the world of 5S and discover how it can revolutionize our workplace practices. The history of 5S. When, where, and how did it all start? The origins of the 5S system can be traced back to post-World War II Japan, specifically within the Toyota Motor Corporation. The 5S system emerged as a foundational component of the Toyota production system, which was developed by Taiichi Ohno and his team. This method has gained popularity in various industries due to its effectiveness in improving organization, efficiency, and safety in the workplace. Whose idea was it? Taiichi Ohno, a key figure in the development of the Toyota production system, implemented the 5S system to address waste, improve efficiency, enhance workplace safety, empower employees, and support a culture of continuous improvement within Toyota's manufacturing processes. The principles of 5S have since been adapted by organizations worldwide as a means to achieve similar objectives. Ohno's philosophy of continuous improvement and waste reduction provided a strong foundation for the development of 5S and its integration into the broader lean manufacturing principles. How did it start? The concept of 5S initially took shape as part of the House of Toyota framework, which depicted the fundamental elements necessary for an efficient and effective operation. The leaders of the growing Toyota Industries, formerly known as Toyota Automatic Loom Works, wanted to cut down on waste and inefficiencies in manufacturing. Their approach, known as the Toyota Production System, incorporates several practices that would go on to become well known in their own right, such as Jidoka, just-in-time manufacturing, and the fundamental idea of the visual workplace. In the context of lean construction, the 5S system can be utilized to create an organized and efficient work environment that promotes safety, reduces errors, and streamlines project operations. That wraps up the history of 5S. Without further ado, I'll now hand it over to Adriel, who will enlighten us with his expertise on its principles.
Thank you, Aubrey, and good day, everyone. My name is Adriel, and I will be answering the question, what is 5S? So, what is 5S? Well, 5S is a systematic and transformative methodology used to improve workplace organization, optimize processes, enhance productivity, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. The term 5S represents five Japanese words, each beginning with the letter S. Seri, or in English, sort. Satan, or set in order. Seiso, or shine. Seiketsu, or standardize. And Shitsuke, or sustain. The first step in 5S is sort. Sort involves decluttering and removing unnecessary items from the workplace. It is important to critically evaluate the items in your workplace and determine their necessity. And to help determine what items to keep, we need to know the purpose of the item, when was the item last used, how frequently the item is being used, and does it need to be in the area. When it comes to identifying unnecessary items, we can use a simple and effective system called red tagging. This involves tagging items that are deemed unnecessary or no longer needed in the workplace. Red tagging allows us to involve everyone in the sorting process, creating a collaborative and inclusive approach. This encourages employees to question the necessity of the items and facilitates decision making about what should be kept, discarded, or relocated. The second step of 5S is set in order. Once you have identified the necessary items in your workplace, it's time to arrange them in a logical and efficient manner. When everything has a designated place and is set in order, it becomes easier to identify missing tools or equipment, reducing the chances of errors and delays. This also creates a sense of discipline and orderliness in the workplace, which positively impacts the overall work environment and employee morale. The goal of the set in order step is to eliminate wasting time searching for items, improve accessibility, and enhance overall workflow efficiency. By establishing a system that promotes organization and easy retrieval, you create a workplace that supports productivity and success. The third step of 5S is shine. This reminds us of the significance of a clean and well-maintained workspace achieved through daily cleaning, regular maintenance, and inspections. Daily cleaning goes beyond simple tidiness. It fosters a sense of pride in our surroundings, promoting a positive work environment and a subtle but impactful boost to our productivity. Regular maintenance and inspection may seem like a behind the scenes activities, but their impact is far reaching. By proactively addressing potential issues, we minimize disruptions and ensure a safe and efficient workplace that operates smoothly without drawing unnecessary attention. By incorporating daily cleaning and regular maintenance and inspections, we create a workspace that is clean, safe, and productive. The fourth step of the 5S is standardize. This step focuses on establishing and maintaining standardized processes and procedures in the workplace. To help implement this phase, create a detailed and explicit documentation of the standardized processes and procedures. Utilize a visually impactful instructions that grab attention and leave a lasting impression. Conduct a thorough and dynamic training sessions that leave a lasting impact on employees. Communicate roles and responsibilities assertively. Implement a highly visible visual cues to guide employees clearly through the workplace and reinforce compliance with the standardized processes. Conduct rigorous and meticulous evaluations to monitor adherence to the standards. Cultivate a culture of active, enthusiastic continuous improvement by encouraging employees to proactively contribute their ideas, suggestions for enhancing the standardized processes. By diligently applying these strategies, organizations can successfully implement the standardized step of the 5S methodology. This ensures consistent processes, increased efficiency, and fosters a dynamic culture of continual improvement. The final step of the 5S is sustain. This step emphasizes the development of habits and systems to ensure the long-term maintenance of the improvements achieved through 5S with a focus on participation and continuous improvement. To ensure sustainability, it's important to develop habits and systems within your organization. This involves encouraging all employees to actively participate in sustaining the 5S practices. Additionally, it's essential to establish a robust systems that support ongoing improvement. By prioritizing the sustain step, organizations can sustain the improvements brought about by 5S. And this leads to the long-term success in maintaining an efficient, organized, and continuously improving work environment. In addition to the original 5S methodology, some organizations incorporate a sixth S, which stands for safety. This additional step emphasizes the importance of identifying and mitigating potential safety hazards in the workplace. This involves promoting a safety-conscious culture, implementing safety measures, and providing a proper training to employees to prevent accidents and injuries. By embracing the principles of 5S, organizations can create a clean, organized, and productive work environment that promotes safety, efficiency, and continuous improvement. On the next slides, Saverlyn will be answering the question, why use 5S, and how 5S serves as a strong foundation for lean practices.
Thank you so much, Adriel, and good day, everyone. I am Saverlyn, and today I'll be presenting regarding why we should use 5S, along with its importance and its connection to lean construction. First of all, it is a no-brainer that various industries has opted to following the 5S methodology solely because it is proven to have numerous benefits. And while it is true that 5S is proven to have great results, one might ask, why should we use 5S? As we all know, every individual likes to witness and work in a clean and organized living station or workspace. However, there are individuals who still doubt and refuse to incorporate the 5S methodology in their daily lives. Therefore, to address the issue regarding why we should use 5S, here are the reasons why we should use it and why it is important. First off, 5S aids in improving safety, enhancing quality, and increasing productivity. And just in case you are wondering how, similar to every other occupation, safety, quality, and productivity are one of the most essential aspects of 5S. The steps of 5S, sort, set in order, shine, and sustain, which were previously discussed to you by Adriel, are one of the main reasons why incorporating the 5S methodology increases safety. As we continue to sort out all our things through removing unnecessary tools and only keeping essential items, through setting things in order by making sure that everything is arranged and labeled properly, and through ensuring that everything is clean and organized in our living or working environment, we and other individuals are at less risk of experiencing various accidents such as falling and tripping over something. Furthermore, the fourth step of 5S, which is standardized, helps in enhancing quality and productivity. And you might ask, how? Standardize ensures that the most efficient practices are identified and used so wasteful practices and all waste are eliminated. Through implementing standardized procedures to incorporate 5S, we start to notice that since our environment is free of waste materials and is clean and organized, we are able to make more products with peace of mind and create products that are of 101% quality. Now that we know why we should use 5S along with its importance and what it is, let's talk about the relationship between 5S and lean construction. Oh, actually, before that, let's talk about what is lean and what is lean construction. First off, what is lean? Lean is a philosophy of delivering value from the end user's perspective while eliminating waste and continuously improving the process. In simple terms, lean is a practice to improve efficiency and effectiveness through eliminating waste. What is lean construction? Lean construction is a construction process where the lean ideology is practiced to maximize the stakeholders' value while reducing waste. It is also important to note that the lean ideology and lean construction's main goal is to eliminate waste while ensuring safety, quality, and productivity, which then again goes hand in hand with the 5S methodology. What is the relationship between 5S and lean construction? First off, it helps improve the process and flow of a construction. It reduces and eliminates waste. And lastly, it aids in the continuous improvement of a project. Moreover, several studies observed that application of the 5S methodology in any construction project resulted to improved workspace utilization, enhanced health and safety, and increased efficiency and customer satisfaction. Now that we're done with our presentation, I have a question for all of you. Don't worry, it's just easy. Which step of 5S do we use to regulate, color code our tools, or use the red tag system? Here are the choices. A. Sort. B. Set in order. C. Shine. D. Standardize. And lastly, E is for sustain. I'll give you about 5 seconds. Think about the answer. If you answered sort, then you're right. When we regulate, color code, and use the red tag system, the 5S step that we do is the first step of 5S, which is sort. That's everything for our presentation, and I hope you've learned about what is 5S, its origin, why we should use it, and its connection to the lean construction. In case you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you so much. Here's our project's references, and please feel free to check out the sources in case you have any questions regarding 5S, its importance, and its connection to lean construction.